Sam?
No.
You have to talk.
Oh, I'm just waiting to get bait now.
Yeah.
Hey, this is gonna buy the lucky bait. Here's another 6-pack boat.
Marker. Okay, Gary's on. Halibut. Alright. Anchor up. Alright. Woo, halibut.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah. Alright, Gary. Whew. Right off the bat, I just dropped it down and got him, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Oh shit, I wasn't recording. Damn. Oh, nice. I had no bait on. Oh, you're on here.
All right,
go ahead.
man, before it ends. Come on, take it easy.
Want me to get my line in or? No. You're on. Easy there. Nice and easy. Oh. Keeper? What do you think? Here, you want me? Oh, get them in. Woohoo! Alright, they're here. Whew. He swallowed that thing. Yeah, he's a keeper. Oops. Oh. Okay. Woo, Sam and Gary. Sam's versus Gary's. I think Gary's got you beat there.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Where's your bunker, man? Gary is a hot rod though, man. Halibut and a striper. Let's see. Very nice, guys. Way to go. All right.